yourself and out your mind to me. Lay your head on me. Just let me be your remedy. Though I could never calm you like you calm me, give you like you give me, talk to you like you talk to me. Speak the words you need to hear. Lay down now beside me. Hold you as you hold me. All these scars already with hugs and kisses.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is springtime, a bit chilly in London at the moment, but it is definitely the best time for blossoms, sunshine and photographs. If you're new to my channel, I am currently a final year student doing research at Imperial College. My life isn't just about work. In this video, I'm showing you some highlights in March, making food with my friends, checking out fun places. More importantly, I will bring you with me to find spring blossom in our college campus.看这些漂亮紫色汤圆，
全都是我摆的，不够啊，空间不够。
再找一个盒子。他们都太胖乎乎了，好胖啊，小胖。
很小。
刚刚好。
长得不太好看，但是会很好吃。 拍你呢。Look at that. So pretty, isn't it? “你的口罩在一个莫名其妙的地方。挺直腰杆，不要含胸驼背。对。
I have tried matcha latte in different shops around Kensington, and the matcha latte by Japan House is maybe one of the best ones. I recommend using soya or oat milk, since what we love in Asian flavor is the earthy, subtle tone in tea. Their hojicha latte is also worth a try. This place is like a hidden treasure in the busy Kensington High Street. It includes a culture shop, a cafe, a restaurant, and in their basement, there are a small cinema, an exhibition area, even a cozy library full of design books. So I highly recommend it if you want a chill place to hang out with your friends.
When I think about the things that